ILLR stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Looking at Triller Group stock, it's 10% down today. Yeah, actually it looks quite awful. Like, I'm not even gonna try to put this layer on. It's bad. Like, what was my prediction though? Was it bad as well? I mean, I'm talking about like a potential short squeeze that I was potentially looking at. What are my drawings? Yeah, they were kind of black there. Let me see, let me check. Yeah, potentially open for buys, but like never happened, man. What I'm looking at here, I mean, I'm gonna stick to something that I've spent 5 figures on my education on trading. Over the last 4 years, I've done 36,000 videos, so I've seen what's working for me, what's not. And with my 2 cents on ILLR, unless I start seeing breaks above $1.84, man, then I'm just not bearish at all. So, I mean, I'm not bullish at all. My bad. Like, at the current moment, I'm bearish, and potentially it's a bearish range. That's why I'm open for potential short sales. But I'm just not going to short sell unless these rules are met. So stay tuned, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the very first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye.